Okay, I'd like to make this note that first, Lex, if you find this and you watch this, I blame you for this catastrophe that might show up on your screen. This was not planned. This was not planned. This was not something that was supposed to happen on this channel for Halloween. But you know what? I love keyboard artists with a passion, and when I saw you do this, I had to. So we gonna see what happened. Oh, I like that color. Baby. I'm getting super happy. Okay. This is totally brown. Oh my gosh. Now, can I do this? Lex, you didn't do this, so I want to see if I can do it. So because I'm extra and I want to be extra, we're going to try to see if we can add some glitter. I'm getting super sentimental or if I'm just being super blah blah blah, but Lex, thank you for doing this tutorial, because if by you doing this tutorial, I would have never found a way to, one, paint with body paint. Like, I would have stalled for the longest, and two, I am able to turn into my favorite character and kind of pull it off. Like, you, my brother, do not know the number of screams that I am having inside right now. I am just screaming. I don't have a pumpkin key because I didn't feel like making a pumpkin key. So we just have the Oblivion, and that's okay too. Happy Halloween, y'all.